Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we are doing a review on a vintage set. Yeah, year 2000 this set came out. The number is 6600 down there. Part of the city theme. They're just a bit different because I'm doing this set on site, meaning it's on my Lego city because I put it in the city already and I can't be bothered getting it off to do a separate review on it. So this is it. It's in the city. You'll get a little bit of sneak peek on what I've done. Yes, as you can see, there's a bridge construction. So that's the bridge over the railway tracks. But this is the box from the year 2000 from this set. And if you want to get a close up there, there's the price there. It used to be 170 and they dropped it down to 153 bargain price, so I had to get it at that time. There's a side picture. You get some road signs. Now you get how many pieces? 317 pieces and 5 minifigs on this set. Okay, that's it there. Trying to not get their light reflection. It's a nice, decent sized box, that's for sure. Probably because the road plates, as you can see, they're there. Okay, let's do the back of the box. You can do an alternative build there, have a ramp of a race if you wanted. Don't know what construction workers are doing that for, but anyway, it's Legoland, you can do whatever you want. Some alternative crane builds there. And alright, let's have a look inside the box. Nothing inside the box, like no pictures on this. There is that piece for pretty much everything, all the instructions, and let's have a look at some advertising material from the day. That's it there. Some more sets up there, advertising. Turn it around on the other side. Video games down the bottom. Some Arctic and some extreme. No, it's not extreme, just Arctic stuff. That's extreme. That's racers. All right, so that's that. That goes in there. Now, there was instruction sets for all the pieces, and they're all in here, as well as packets for all the pieces, separate packets. So I've got them as well to show you. Right, here's instruction set for building the road. Okay, that's it with the minifigs. Ultimately, it was supposed to be the crane was supposed to be doing it, and that's why you got a crane with it. But that's pretty much what you're doing with that road. Okay, let's put it together. So that's that one. Hang on, we'll get the crane piece. This is the crane instructions. And you came to the final 8 steps for that one. Okay. And what else? Alright, that was the road. You got part of the road. You got every bit of instructions for making pillars. So there's 3 of these bits of instructions. 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. 3 of those for building the pillars. Then you had 1 for the dump truck. There. That's that, and you had 1 for the police car. Sorry, I dropped the instructions. I'm just going to pick it up. There we go. pretty much tell you, you know, the traffic to move on, you know, move from the side or whatever. So there's one for that, and then there was one for the bulldozer. That's it there. So yeah, and then as well as that, they were individual. Can't do that, but yeah, they were individual packets as well. There's the spare pieces. Always spare pieces with them. One for that. One for that, plus the individual packets for that, every packet. Yeah. Plus one for the dump truck. And one for the police car. So yeah, that was it. Alright, let's put them away. There. Oh, what's there? Let's put the box away. And let's have a look at the set itself. The street signs were there. Street sign there. So, all right, looking at that construction, yep, you got this street sign there, and there's that for, you know, bypassing. There's the dump truck. I had the spare pieces for the crane. That the bits of, you know, the tools in there, and tipped up like that. The guys in that. There's the police car that went up like so, and they moved out to guide traffic thus. Guy was in there with a nice green windscreen. Okay, I folded down and then he moved on to the next thing. There's the digger. Guys in there. Let's just put it down. Let's have a look. There he is in there. Okay, yeah, no doors on this one. Just had to pull the top off. Alright, let's have a look at the crane. Probably the best thing about this set was the crane. It was on legs, stilts, whatever you want to call it. Rolled around on wheels. So that went in and out. Yeah, it spun round as well as if you can see that when you run that up. Had concrete in there, and when you wound it down, tipped it out. Kind of cool, huh? So, okay, that was the crane. Let's have a look at the construct. You don't know, the plants are not, you know, these plants here, I've just added them on, but that is pretty much it. And the clearance is okay. Alright, so that is the bridge 6600 set number. Has 317 pieces and 5 minifigs. The minifigs are just general construction guys, a little bit different for each one. Let's have a look. There we go. Some facial hair, sideburns. Nothing spectacular in him. Nice braces though. Absolutely nice braces. And then we got the police guy. Yeah, I'm trying to face print. Just the average guy. And that's that. And then we got that. In there, he's got the overalls. Yes, a bit of dust on his legs. Goes back in there. And we've got the crane driver. Holding the plans. He's got overalls too. So he's just the same as the guy sitting in the dump truck. Anyway guys, that's it. Set number 6600. 317 pieces, 5 minifigs from the year 2000, and that's it in my bridge, with my bridge on my city. Alright, okay guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next one, next video. Bye.